In this video, I'm gonna be installing an exhaust wrap on my SSR 125 pit bike. This wrap is from Sun Plus Trade, just a random brand off of Amazon. So it's probably not the best quality, but I'm more doing it for looks, not really for the performance aspect. The first step is just to remove this heat shield on there. I'm just using a Phillips screwdriver. Okay. So I was actually unaware that there were these nuts welded on. I thought it just screwed right into the exhaust, which I guess is good because then there won't be holes now. But I do have to cut these off. All right, new method. Gonna use these and then try to pry it off. Fuck these guys. All right, so I got it off, but I'm left with these welds on here. So I'm probably gonna take a wire brush or a file and try to get the rest off. All right, I took the welds down for the most part. I mean, there's still a little bit sticking up, but I feel like through the thick wrap, it's not really gonna show up. So I'm just gonna hit the whole thing with I'm just gonna give the whole thing a sand and then start wrapping. The idea behind the sand was to eliminate any imperfections or any shit that was on the exhaust pipe and hopefully give the wrap something to adhere to better. Start putting this shit on. This is my first time doing it, so excuse any shitty work. Alright, I just finished up wrapping the exhaust. I think I did a mediocre job. Definitely some imperfections, but for the first time I did it, I think overall it looks pretty sweet. Definitely. The spacing is a little uneven. I tried the best I could. It was hard to get some of the wraps, like you know when you're wrapping something obviously, and then you're wrapping it once around straight, and then you try to move it away from it and do this like continuous thing like that. There's like an extra piece of material on the outside edge, so I kept having to deal with that and folding it in, and it gave me some lumps, but hopefully if I twist it this way it tightens it, and that's what I've been kind of doing around here. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, I don't think. One thing to note, this is fiberglass, so my arms are fucked. It's all in my arms, and it hurts. But yeah, now I just need to start it up and let it heat off any of the water, steam off any of the water, and that'll create a good seal against the thing. Dry it up. You know what the fuck I'm talking about.